So our topic is resistance connected to an AC source. So let me have a resistance R connected to an AC source whose instantaneous EMF is given by the relation E equivalent to E0 sine omega t. So at any instant of time, the source of AC and resistor are connected in parallel. So at any time, the potential difference across the resistor will be equivalent to IR. And as the two are in parallel, that's why at any time potential drop or voltage across the resistor will be equivalent to the voltage supplied by the AC source. So at any time V equivalent to IR equivalent to E equivalent to E0 sine omega t. Or out of these four terms, we can select two terms of our choice. So IR equivalent to E0 sine omega t, or it can be written as I equivalent to E naught upon R sine omega t, or I equivalent to E naught upon R, peak value of EMF upon resistance. It will give us peak value of current. So we find that at any instant of time when instantaneous value of EMF is being given by sine omega t into E naught, means EMF is making omega t angle with its peak value at the same time. When we convert this relation for current, we find that instantaneous value of current is also making omega t angle with its peak value. It means across a resistance, current and voltage are in the same phase. They both are having with their peak values angle omega t. So when we connect a resistance to an AC source, then through that resistor we find that current and voltage are in the same phase. So now if we draw its phasor diagram, at any instant of time when current is making an angle of omega t with its peak value, so then voltage is also making the same angle with its peak value. So means current and voltage are in the same phase. They are making the same angle omega t. Now if we discuss the wave diagram, so if the position of current, so here on this axis we are taking T, I and V. So if current is going like this, so voltage will be in the same phase with the current. So both will be current and voltage. This is the curve for current. So voltage will also be, means current and voltage V or E. So current and voltage are at the mean position at the same time. They both reaches its their peak values at the same time. Then again returning back to mean position, and again they are simultaneously passing through the same position. means they are at the mean position at the same time, they are at their peak values at the same time, again mean position, changing direction at the same time, they are having their positions opposite direction, in opposite direction, but again at the same value. So current and voltage are in the same phase. At any time, they both are making the same angle.